Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Civil Engineering. Today we are here to let you know about the basic concepts of Vaastu for the construction's residential house. Let us take a west-facing residential house as an example to explain you the basic elements to be followed while planning the house. The width of west corridor should always be smaller than your east corridor. For example, if your west corridor is 3 feet, the east corridor should be at least 4 feet. The width of your south corridor should be smaller than your north corridor. If your south corridor is 2 feet, then north corridor should be at least 3 feet. Let us take a west-facing residential house as an example to explain you the basic elements to be followed while planning the house. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share our video if you like. And also comment if any doubts regarding Vaastu. And finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel.